अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब। आज का हमारा ऐसे है कायदे आज़म फाउंडर ऑफ पाकिस्तान। कायदे आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्नाह was the great leader who gave us Pakistan. He was born on December 25th, 1876 in Karachi. He studied law in England and became a successful lawyer. Later, he joined politics to fight for the rights of Muslims in India. At first, he worked for Hindu-Muslim unity, but soon he realized that Muslims needed a separate country to live freely according to Islam. He worked hard day and night, guided the nation, and gave us a new homeland. His leadership qualities were honesty, courage, and wisdom. He never gave up, even when the journey was tough. His famous motto was unity, faith, discipline. He always encouraged the youth to get education and serve the country. On 14th August 1947, Pakistan came into being due to Quaid-e-Azam's efforts. He became our first Governor General. He passed away on 11th September 1948, but he lives forever in our hearts. We proudly call him the father of the nation. वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो इसे लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। तब तक अपना ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।